In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change featured products on Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to Shopify, you'll be able to follow along and update your store's featured items with confidence. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main backend area where you manage everything for your store. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the section labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products, and when you do, it will expand and reveal more options underneath. From those options, click on Collections. Collections are groups of products that you curate together, and your featured products are usually pulled from one of these collections, especially for your homepage or featured sections on your theme. Now you'll see a list of all the collections you currently have in your store. If you want to change which products are featured within an existing collection, simply click on the name of that collection to open it. If you'd prefer to create a brand new collection to use for featured products, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on Add Collection. This will let you set up a fresh collection that you can later connect to a featured section in your theme settings. Once you're inside the collection editor, scroll until you find the Products card. This is the area where you control exactly which products belong to this collection, and therefore, which items can appear as featured if this collection is used in your store's design. On the Products card, click the Browse button. A pop-up window will appear, showing a list of all the products in your store. To add a product to this collection, click the empty checkbox to the left of the product's name. To remove a product that you no longer want featured in this collection, simply uncheck that same box. You can select or deselect multiple products at once, so take a moment to carefully choose the items you want to highlight. Think about your best sellers, new arrivals, or seasonal items you want customers to see first. When you're happy with your selections, look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click Done. This will save your product choices for the collection. After that, make sure to save the collection itself if a Save button is visible, so all your changes are applied to your live store.